Justice continues to elude the victim families of the Gore Thane Kangan massacre for the past 34 years, whose near and the dear ones lost their lives at the hands of the Indian Border Security Force personnel in the Thane Kangan area on this day in 1990 in occupied Kashmir. 15 people, including the driver and the conductor of the passenger bus, were martyred and a dozen were injured when the bus in which they were traveling in was fired and burnt by the Indian BSF personnel. The victim families are still awaiting justice. Police in occupied Kashmir have registered a case against an Indian Air Force officer, Wing Commander P.K. Shrawat, following a complaint of the rape, mental harassment and stalking by a female flying officer posted at the Air Force station in Srinagar. The FIR lodged at the police station Budgam pertains to aggravated rape committed by the persons in positions of the authority. According to the complaint, the incident occurred on December 31, 2023 during a New Year's party at the officers' mess. 2 Indian Forces personnel died in 2 separate incidents in occupied Kashmir. An Indian Central Reserve Police Force man of the 180th Battalion, identified as Jitendra Singh, died of cardiac arrest in the Tral area of the Pulwama district. Meanwhile, an Indian Army man lost his life after a motorcycle he was riding skidded off the road near the Bampal area of the Poonch district. Hurriyat leaders and organizations in occupied Kashmir have demanded the urgent intervention from the United Nations to resolve the decades-long Kashmir dispute, which they warn pose a significant threat to the regional and the global peace. The leaders and organizations in their statements in Srinagar emphasized that the UN must fulfill its obligations towards the Kashmiri people. A minor boy's mysterious death in the Budgam district has raised suspicions when the family alleging the murder. According to the official sources, the body of Zishan Ahmed Kallas was found under mysterious conditions.